Are you tired of making slideshows or training videos that people just zone out of? What if you could make hand-drawn whiteboard animations that actually hold attention without needing any design skills? Today, we're looking at VideoScribe, a whiteboard animation software that claims to make explainer videos easy for anyone. But is it really the best option heading into 2026, especially with its new AI features? Let's find out. VideoScribe is built specifically for teams who need to explain complex ideas clearly. Think learning and development, human resources, and marketing. Instead of flat slides or generic video templates, it uses hand-drawn animation that unfolds in real time. The science behind it is simple. Our brains are wired to follow moving visuals and narratives, making this format highly effective for training and presentations. So what do you actually get inside the platform? VideoScribe is packed with tools designed to keep things simple. You get access to millions of professionally hand-drawn images, characters, and scenes. But the big update is the integration of AI. If you can't find the exact graphic you need, you can use their AI image generator. It also features AI script generator to help you write your video and AI voiceovers to narrate it. You can customize the drawing hands, control the camera angles, and easily manage your timeline. One of the biggest pain points with video production is updating old content. VideoScribe solves this by keeping your projects open and editable. If a company process changes, you don't have to rebuild the video from scratch. You just open the project, update the specific scene, and export it again. This makes it a great long-term investment for building a reusable content library. Now, for an honest perspective, we want to be completely transparent. Our current research data on external user reviews and long-term customer feedback is limited. While the tool's feature set looks incredibly strong on paper, especially with the addition of AI scripting and image generation, we can't pull from a massive pool of third-party user complaints or praises today. However, based on the official feature set, the learning curve appears very low, making it ideal for non-video professionals. If you need highly advanced cinematic 3D editing, this isn't designed for that. It's strictly focused on clean, engaging whiteboard explainants. If you want to turn dry compliance docs or complex product guides into something people actually watch and remember, VideoScribe is definitely worth a look. You don't need a video team to get started. They offer a free 7-day trial, so you can test out the AI tools and drawing libraries for yourself without any risk. Head over to videoscribe.co to try it out. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more software reviews, and let us know in the comments. Do you think whiteboard videos are better than standard slide decks? See you in the next video.